Hey traders, happy Labor Day. It is September 6th, 2010. I want to do a quick run through the market, then show you a really great trade from Friday. The QQQQ on the weekly chart here, you'll see again, we've talked about this in the previous videos, and I want to move quickly here. But we got the double bottom here from late 2008, early 2009. The grind up where everyone said get short, get short, get short, and it never really materialized. You had so many head fakes here where people got drawn in on the short side, then got their rear ends handed to them. And then we've got the mess from May. You can see here the behavior of the candlesticks here. It wasn't great, a lot of overlap, but look at this mess on the weekly chart, right? This is indicative of a topping pattern, and this probably comes down, but anything can happen, so you've got to be ready. Okay, my lean overall on a weekly chart is to the short side. However, be aware that we can go higher still. We could even take out these highs. Coming to the daily chart, I've drawn some lines here on the chart. You'll see the support area here. Really, after this one crazy day in May, we haven't been able to go lower than that. We almost did it here, and then it's just been sideways, testing this area, testing this area. You'll see we're trading within a range, and right now it's not very wise to go long and hold overnight because you're up too many days and close to this resistance area. So what I'm looking for is a move up here and a possible shorting setup in this area between 47 and 48 on the Qs. Looking for an area to get short. Now if it gets up there and it bases and it gives me a pattern for a continuation for long, I'll look for that. But until then, I am sitting out on the swings, holding overnight. What I am doing on a daily basis is making money with the trades, with the day trades. And that's where this type of environment is ideal for that, because the ranges of the days are great, and you're getting some great movers. What I want to point out from Friday, this NTRS, this thing gapped up here, and it really had a strong day. And you can see on the gap up here, I'm going to show you on multiple time frames. This daily chart, you can see it's kind of in a bottoming type mode here. Possible double bottom on the daily, right? It's going sideways, at least for the last 2 months, and really kind of slowing down the move from up here, okay? Now, it doesn't mean it can't continue lower. It can. However, it looks like it's pausing. Now, if you go to the 60-minute chart, you'll see that we are now forming a 60-minute uptrend. You've got the 20 and 40 moving averages curling over, moving up here. We had a nice gap up right after this strong day here. Look at the volume holding this area. And we have the gap up right here to this little tiny resistance point with a nice void to move higher. Okay, 15 confirms it. You've got an uptrend here, right? It bases and is going back up. You got a nice gap up here. This is definitely one to be watching long. And herein lies the trade. You'll see here on the 5 it went up, right? And as the market retraced considerably at this time, this one held its ground. And I love the fact that it put in these bottoming tails here, and really if you were an advanced trader, you could have gotten in right here where my arrow is, and if not, your confirmation move was right here, which was actually the meat of the move anyway, where you got in. Now I want to show you here. Now pay attention, this is the 5-minute chart of NTRS from Friday. Now I want you to look at the Qs, and you'll see that here, right, from here, from 10 o'clock to 10:35, the market came straight down on a huge volume. What did NTRS do from 10 to 10:35? It went sideways, right? This is indicative of relative strength, like I don't know what. Okay, so this here is the play. Right here, you got a nice move up, and it's just, I mean, it went right up to the whole number, like clockwork, and just really is that's really how you put the whole thing together. And that's why day trading in a market like this is really just the best scenario, because you don't have to hold overnight, and the fact that you're not really getting any clean patterns here, technical patterns, to trade long and short on the swing trading side. I prefer just getting in and getting out. And you can see on the NTRS that there's just a really there's a plethora of ideas on a daily basis, and I go through a number more, but I don't have the time for it. So anyway, hope you guys have a great week trading. I'll be in the room Tuesday, Wednesday this week, and then trading and tweeting the rest of the days, as well as tweeting on the days that I'm in the room. So if you guys got any questions, give me a holler. Tom at TomWillardTrading.com. Have a great week, guys.